In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly copy a Behance link, whether it's for an individual project or your entire profile. Knowing how to share your creative work on this platform is essential for showcasing your portfolio or collaborating with others. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in sharing your work with just a few simple clicks. Let's dive right in with one of the easiest methods: copying a project link using the Share button. First, you'll want to open the Behance project page that you intend to share. Once you're there, look for the Share icon. It's typically situated near the top of the page and can vary slightly in appearance, but usually resembles an arrow or three dots. When you click on this icon, a pop-up will appear. From this menu, you'll select Copy Link. Now your URL is saved to your clipboard and ready to be pasted. Whether you plan to share it on social media, include it in an email, or even add it to your resume, you can simply paste the URL wherever it's needed. Moving on to another straightforward method, you can manually copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. To do this, navigate to the public project or profile page on Behance that you want to link. When you have the page open, look at the top of your browser where the address bar is located. Highlight and then copy the URL shown there. This is a great method if you prefer a manual approach, and it can apply to practically any page. Just ensure that the page is public. Once you have the link, you can paste it wherever you need it. Remember, you can also use this method to copy a project link, even if it's set as link only or password protected. Now let's discuss copying a link only or password protected project, which is available through Behance Pro. To begin, make sure you're logged into your profile and under the Work tab, where you've saved these select projects. Hover over the project you want to share, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear on the top left corner of the project preview. Click this drop-down and choose Copy Link. This method ensures that those with whom you decide to share the link will have necessary access to view your project, thanks to Behance's privacy settings. No matter which method best suits your needs, you now have the skills to copy a Behance link quickly and successfully. Whether you're showcasing your work to potential employers or sharing it with friends, these techniques will help you distribute your creative portfolio to a wider audience. Keep exploring and keep creating. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.